How's it doing, my fellow Americans and people of Asian and other descents? It is currently approximately 2:30 in the morning, so I would like to make this YouTube video informing you on how to make a correct knock-knock joke. So, I'll use this bowling pin as an example. Use this bowling pin as an example, and this bowling pin will be the example. So, you know, this is how it should go. Hello. Hello. Would you like to hear a knock-knock joke? Sure. If they don't say sure, don't make the joke. They might get offended. You might get sent to prison. Are you sure you want me to make a knock-knock joke to you? Yes. Zooey mama. Ha 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 ha. Knock knock. Who's there? Santa Claus. Santa Claus who? Santa Claus, I'm really scared.